Hello, this video is an overview of the Rapid web page workflow for accessing your filled article and book chapter borrowing requests. This information is for Rapid libraries that use the Rapid web page for managing their borrowing requests. Rapid libraries that use the web page for managing their borrowing requests receive their article and book chapter requests through Rapid's delivery platform called RapidX. RapidX was designed as a cross-platform service that allows Rapid libraries to send files to each other even when the borrower and lender are not using the same delivery process. Libraries using the Rapid web page for borrowing receive all of their files through RapidX. It doesn't matter if the lender is using Odyssey, Article Exchange, or is uploading files to the Rapid web page. All files sent by lending libraries will be received by the RapidX service and posted to a borrowing queue for download or delivery to the end user. Let's look at the Rapid main menu page. As a borrower using the Rapid web page, I will want to monitor the RapidX queue under the borrowing section, checking it a couple times a day when expecting filled transactions. This is where my filled article and book chapter requests will display. You can see here that there are filled requests in this queue. I'll open the queue to view the individual requests. The link shows the Rapid request number and our local request number if we added a local number to the cross-reference ID field when placing the borrowing request. I can download these files by clicking either the hyperlink or the save icon. The file downloads in PDF format. I can now send the downloaded file to my patron as needed. Once I provide the request to my patron, I can remove the file from the queue by clicking the delete icon. RapidX also provides an option for end-user delivery. If I click the flyout button at the top right corner of the RapidX queue, I'm directed to the RapidX page for borrowing. I now have an additional send option. The send function gives me the ability to send an email to the end user that includes some general information about the request, and a link to download the PDF. The link download file is good for 30 days. I can choose to add a new address or choose from a list of recently used email addresses. Email addresses I've used within the past 6 days will display in the drop-down. This is helpful if one patron has submitted several requests. You can simply click their email in the list. Email addresses are automatically deleted from the Rapid database after 6 days. If you choose to use the email delivery function, you will want to make sure you have a RapidX return email address configured for your Rapid account. If you do not have this configured, you will see an error message when you attempt to send the email. To check your account settings, navigate to the My Profile page using the Tools drop-down menu, and you'll find a field for the RapidX return email address. This completes the overview of using the Rapid web page for obtaining and sending your filled Rapid article and book chapter requests. Thanks for watching.